I feel like I could just lay on it. Well, I probably shouldn't lay on it. Hey there, my natural hair queens and kings. If you are new to my channel, welcome. If you are returning, welcome back, and thank you for clicking on this video. Today I will be doing a tutorial on a Flexirod set that I did using another one of Curl's gels from the Ultimate Styling Collection, which is their Enviable Creamy Curl Gel. I'm starting on clean hair, and I'm just gonna go ahead and section my hair into 4 sections. It makes it easier when it's time for me to do a Flexirod, so I don't have hair getting in the way when it's time to roll the Flexirod onto my hair. And now that I'm done sectioning my hair, I'm going to go ahead and wet my hair again. And then I'm going to go ahead and apply the Curls gel, which is the Enviable Creamy Curl Gel, to my hair. This gel a little goes a long way, and it feels really good being added to my hair. And now I'm going to roll the Flexirods, and focusing on rolling it at an angle because I find that this stretches my hair at the roots and make sure that I eliminate any frizz that I may get from the Flexirods not being tight enough. I'm just gonna go ahead and speed through this section of me applying the Flexirods. That way we can get into me taking down the Flexirods and my final results from using this gel for my Flexirod set. Okay, I am all done with applying the Flexirods, and I'm not gonna lie, this was a lot of work and your girl is tired. This is a close-up of how it looks before it dries. Not gonna lie, I put these on kind of tight and my head was itching. So this is how it looks once it is dry. I'm gonna go ahead and start unraveling them. I realized that I may have rolled them too tight because it hurt when I started to take down the Flexirods. But this is a close-up of how my hair looks. It's super shiny and super defined, and I'm impressed so far at the results. And now I'm gonna go ahead and take off these Flexirods. Alright, I am all done taking them out. Here's a close-up of how they look. And honestly, I'm excited to see what's going to happen with these Flexirods results. I'm just going to go ahead and use some coconut oil and rub it in my hands in order to separate my curls. I wish y'all could feel how soft my curls are. They literally feel pillow soft, and I am super excited for this final result of this Flexirod using this Curls gel. Alright, here is a close-up of the shine, the definition, the bounce, the softness. This is a really good Flexirod set. So now I'm just going to take my pick and fluff out my roots to give me a little more volume. And then I'm going in with the Curls Passion Fruit Curl Control Paste for my edges in order to just smooth them down a bit so there's a separation and you can see the two sides. Alright, this is my final results from the Flexirod set using the Ultimate Styling Collection, the pink gel, and yeah, what y'all think? I think they came out amazing. Very minimal frizz, a lot of shine, a lot of definition, and they're extremely soft. So I have no complaints, and I definitely will use this gel again. This one is formulated with marshmallow roots, and honestly that's how my hair feels. My hair feels pillow soft, like it looks soft and it also feels super soft. I feel like I could just lay on it. Well, I probably shouldn't lay on it because then that would mess up all the work that I put into it, and it would also get rid of the definition that I have and the shine that I have. So maybe I'll pass on laying on it part, but it is super soft. And this one has, like I say, marshmallow roots, and it says that it's good for flexirod sets. Well, it says that it's good for roller sets and rod sets, and it says you can sit on the dryer or air dry. I actually sat on the dryer for about 2 hours because I did not want to make the mistake that I made with my PERM rod set and sleep with them overnight, because it was so uncomfortable and my back was hurting. I'm gonna go ahead and link that video. I'll pair it in the description for you guys so that you can take a look at that video. But now that I have a short haircut, I have been trying really hard to try different stuff with my hair, and this is the first time I did a Flexirod set. I do feel like it'll look extremely good once my hair grows out. I do like it now. Like, I think it looks really good. Like I say, it's soft, it's defined, it's shiny. I mean, you can't get better than that. Like, I absolutely love how it came out, and so I decided to just come on here and give you guys a tutorial of it and let you know what I think. With this, a little goes a long way. You know, like how on the back of most products they say, oh, use a dime size amount, use a nickel size amount, use a penny size amount, and natural people are like, no, we use way more than that on our hair. But with this, you literally only probably need like a dime size amount for each roller that you put in. A little definitely goes a long way. And what I would say is, don't be like me. Make sure that you focus a lot of the products on the ends, because that's why I had the frizz, and I just went in with some gel and edge control to kind of tame the frizzes a bit. They're still kind of there, but I definitely recommend that you go all the way to the end. But that is it. Again, this one is $5.99. The whole collection is $5.99, and you only need one product to do your Flexirod set. So why not give it a go? I may or may not be doing a giveaway, so make sure that y'all subscribe and y'all turn on the notification bell, and you follow me on Instagram. That way you know when or if I do the giveaway. So make sure that you do that. All right, that is it, my natural hair queens and kings. See you next time. When you know better, you do better. Bye.